Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, GLIMS Media. My name is Ade Oladeus, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download video from any mobile app, like from Instagram, from Facebook, from YouTube, from any social media platform that you might think of. There are a lot of times that people want to download a tutorial video from YouTube, or they want to download a comedy skit from Instagram, for example, but they don't know how to go about it. So they are always wondering, how do they do this, how can I do that? So I'm going to show you in this tutorial video how you can do that in just less than 1 minute on your mobile phone. You will download that video that you have always loved to watch over and over again. You will download it and then you watch it from your phone gallery. So let's go straight to the point. Alright, so I'll go to my Instagram. For example, I'll go to Instagram. Let's assume I want to download this video. Okay, I want to download Mr. Macaroni's video. Alright, this is Mr. Macaroni's Instagram page. I will just go to his latest video. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on these three dotted icon by the right. I'll just click on this three dotted icon by the right. I'll click on this three dotted icon by the right. I want to show you what I'm clicking on so that you'll be able to see it. Alright, so you are going to click on that three dotted icon. So the moment you click on it, alright, you just click on copy link. So once you click on copy link, you now go to your Chrome browser or your phone browser. Anyone can go to internet. Alright, so guys, you're going to go to your phone browser and then you now search for SS YouTube. You look for this website, ssyoutube.com. I believe you can see that now, ssyoutube.com. So once you click on go, it will now display what you actually need. Alright, you can see it now. It says install the app or continue downloading. So you click on continue downloading. Alright, the next thing is to erase this youtube.com, clean it, like you delete it from it. Then now what? Paste what you already copied from that social media app, like whether Instagram, that link you copied, you understand, from that social media app, probably Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, anyone, or TikTok. Just paste the URL link here, then you just click on paste. Alright, then it's not going to show you Macaroni's video. It's going to show you Macaroni's video. Alright, it's going to show you Macaroni's video. Now the next thing you're going to do now is to click on what? Download. So the moment you click on this download button, you click on this download button. Alright, so once you click on this download button, it will start downloading automatically into your mobile phone. So if you are watching this video, I will advise you to practicalize this. Alright, see whether you can do it or not. And if you have any question to ask, you may ask me in my comment section. Alright, I'm going to show you how you are going to go about this. Alright, it's very easy anyway. It's very easy. Just give it a try. And I want you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel.